everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So let's go for this question, which will be the last one. We did, guys, we did it. So what do you love most about makeup? It's an amazing question, actually. I answered this question from a few videos before in answering other question, but for me, makeup, like, it's creativity. You have the ability to like play with colors, to have your creativity and your emotional in the application of the colors on your face. You like make this pretty face, because everyone is pretty. You make that pretty face even more prettier, and you enhance the beauty in it. Adding colors and playing with colors is something so therapeutic for me. I love drawing since I was a little girl, so this is kind of a like a drawing thing for me, and at the same time there's a lot of creativity, a lot of emotional experience, and like increasing confidence, increasing level of self-love, because when you apply makeup and you feel you are like beautiful with the colors, makes you beautiful. If you're feeling down and have lack of confidence, lack of self-love, when you look to yourself in the mirror, especially in this downtime, having this makeup on makes you look beautiful, will help you to improve your energy and makes you feel better about yourself, and that will help you to love yourself more and feel more confident, and like increase the vibe or the positive energy in you, makes you feel more beautiful, and that will help you to go from that to work on yourself and make yourself even more beautiful, and feel loved and feel the love to yourself without even makeup, if you don't love yourself, because there's a lot of us don't love ourselves, and we use other things to make us feel beautiful, to love ourselves, and it's not a bad thing, but in the same time it's just a mean to an end. So we need to use that to improve that, to go from that to another level, to love ourselves, because you deserve to be loved and you deserve to feel confident no matter what, because you are a unique person. There is no one in this earth just like you. And for me, when I play with makeup, especially in my down times, that makes me feel that way, especially when my boyfriend tell me that I look beautiful and all these lovely words. Anyone like increase my confidence, because I've been down. That's normal. So for me, it's a way to creativity. It's a way to makes me feel more confident, and it makes me feel more attractive. There is nothing wrong in that, and it's like it's my passion. It makes me happy. Once I just apply makeup, makes me so happy, because something I love. It's something I really, really love. I love colors and playing with colors. So yeah, I guess that's it. That's enough. That's enough. And we did it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed these 30 days, 30 videos, makeup slash beauty question tags. And yeah, this is for it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Finally I said it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.